Dear students, hope you all are fine. Okay, so now in this video we are going to continue the same chapter, Fun with Numbers. So hope you would have watched the previous video. Okay, what we saw in the previous video, we saw jumping animals. Some of the animals were jumping on the snake. Okay, so each one were taking different number of steps. Okay, and we compared their steps also and we answered some of the questions. Hope you remember everything. Okay, so what concept we learned from that? We learned skip counting. Okay, so now today we are going to see the lazy crazy shop. Okay, so there is a jungle. In that jungle there is a shop called lazy crazy shop. So by the name what you understand, they are very lazy. They will give only the packets of tens, hundreds and loose items. Loose items means what? Ones. Okay, they will not give you any other numbers of items. Okay, so find out how many packets of tens, hundreds and loose items each animal bought in from this shop. So let's fill in this blanks. See the first one. So it is a rabbit. Okay, so these animals are going and buying some items from this shop. Okay, so they are buying the items in ones, tens and hundreds. Okay children, so now let's see rabbit. So what rabbit will eat? Carrot. So he is also buying a carrot. Buying carrot in bunches. How it is buying? He bought 143 carrots. Okay, but what the shop will do? He will give only in hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, so first we have to find out how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there in 143. So you all know the places, no? Remember what is the place of this 3 in this number? It is ones. What is the place of this 4? It is tens. What is the place of this 1? It is hundreds. Hope you remember everything. Okay. So now let's see how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there in this. So how many hundreds are there? Can you tell me? It is 100s. How many tens are there? They have 4 tens. So how many ones are there? It has 3 ones. Okay. So now write in numbers. So how many hundreds? 100s are is equal to 100 is equal to how many? 100 is equal to 100. Okay. So next 4 tens. 4 tens means what? 4 into 10 becomes 40. 3 ones means what? 3 into 1 becomes 3. Okay children, understood this? Now next one you see. 210. So how many sugar cans the elephant is buying? 210. Okay. First you find out which is ones here. 0 is in ones place and this 1 is in tens place. 2 is in hundreds place. Okay children. So now let's see. Okay, so 2 is in hundreds place. Now find out how many hundreds are there here? 2 hundreds. That means 2 into 100 becomes 200. Okay, next one you see. How many tens are there? 1 tens are there. 1 tens are 10. How many ones are there? There is no ones. Only 0 we have. So that means we have 0 ones. Next number you see. What is this monkey? Monkey is buying bananas. How many bananas he bought? 242 bananas. So now write the places of this number first. 2 is in which place? Ones place. And 4 is in which place? Tens place. And the other 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. Okay, so find out how many hundreds he bought? 2 hundreds. That means 2 into 100 becomes 200. Okay, so how many tens he bought? 4 into tens equal to 40. How many ones he bought? 2 ones. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Lazy crazy shop not only gives the item in ones, tens, hundreds, they will take money also in ones, tens, hundreds only. They will take 100 rupee notes or 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins only. Okay, so now find out how will they pay him for them they have taken. Okay, money also they will collect only in ones, tens, hundreds. They will give the items also in only ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, now elephant, how much he has to pay? He has to pay 420 rupees. Okay, so how he will pay? Now see, he will pay in this way. How many hundreds he will pay? 4 hundreds. Then plus, how many tens he will pay? 2 tens plus, no ones here because it has 0 value. So 0 is in ones place, this 2 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place. So how they have divided it? 4 hundreds plus 2 tens plus no value for 0, so no need to expand that. So what is the other method to expand it? Equal to 400 plus 2 tens are 20. So now find the place of these numbers also. So 3 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, this 1 is in hundreds place. Now you expand this number equal to. So now what you will write? 1 is in hundreds place, 1 hundreds plus 4 is in which place? Tens place, 4 tens plus 3 ones. What is the other way to write this? 100s are 100 plus 4 tens are 40 plus 3 ones are 3. Okay, this is the way you have to expand all the numbers. So what monkey bought? What is the money he has to pay? He bought bananas for 242 rupees. So now find the numbers and its places. 2 is in ones place, this 4 is in tens place, and the other 2 is in hundreds place. Expand this number also. How will we expand it? So 2 is in hundreds place. So write 2 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 2 ones. So what is the other way to expand? 2 hundreds are 200 plus 4 tens are 40 plus 2 ones are 2. So see the next number now. We have only 2-digit number. So what is the places of this number? The first 5 it is in ones place. The second 5 is in tens place. So expand this also. How will we expand it? So 5 is in tens place. 5 tens plus 5 ones. What is the other way to expand? 5 tens are 50 plus 5 ones are 5. Okay, clear children? So now you know how to expand the numbers in 2 ways. Okay. Now who am I? Okay, match with the number. Okay, so you're going to match these numbers. Okay, so they have given you the clues and find out the numbers. See the first one they've already marked it, matched it. Now let's see. I come between 40 and 50. Between means what? In between. Which number will come in between? You first think of. And there is a 5 in my name. Okay, always you see whenever number comes in between. For which number comes in between 1 to 10? In between what is there? 5 is there. 10 to 20, what is the number in between? 15. 20 to 30, 25. 30 to 40, 35. 40 to 50, 45. So there is a 5 in my name. I am coming in between 40 and 50. It is 45. So next clue you see. I have 9 in my name. I am very close to 90. You have to see the number which is nearest to 90. So 96. There is a difference of 6 numbers. 150 will not be there. 45 already there is the answer for first question. 89, 87, 100 is there. So which is nearest to 90? I think only 89. It has only one difference. One number difference between 89 and 90. Which is nearest then? 89 is nearest to 90. Now you have to match it this way. Okay. Okay. Now next question you see. If you hit a 4 after me, you score a century. Okay. If you hit a 4 after me, you hit a century. Okay. So what it will happen? That means you have to, you remember what is century? Century means 100. Okay. That means if you hit 4, you will become a century. The number should be less than 4 less than 100. Right. So which number is that? 96, 150, 45, 89, 87, 100. So 100 minus 4 will be the answer. So see the backward counting. What will come before 100? 99, 98, 96, 97, 96. So the number is 96. So match it with that number. Okay. Okay, next one you see. I am equal to 10 notes of 100. 10 notes of 10. Okay, 10 notes of 10. How many 10 notes into 10 notes? 10 rupees. Okay, so 10 tens are 100. So you have to calculate this way. So its answer is 100. Okay, next is I am century plus half century. You all know 1 century is 100. Half of 1 century is 50. I already told you. So what will be that? 100 plus 50. So what will be the answer? 150. So match it with 150. Okay children. Next one, I am exactly in between 77 and 97. So exactly in between, which is coming in between this 77 and 97. After 77, 87. 87, just count 10, 10 and see. 77, 87, 97. So in between which number is coming? 87. So 87 will be the answer for the last question. Okay children, clear? You know. Okay. Now let's move on to the next page. How many are these? Okay, so before that what we did, they've given the number and we expanded it. Okay, we divided it into hundreds, tens and ones. Here they've given you the expanded form. You're going to write it in short form. Okay, you're going to add these amounts, add these sticks, all these things. Okay, they have given in groups. How they have given in groups? In hundreds, tens and ones. See the first question. It is, they've given you 100 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes. Okay, so how many 100 rupee notes are there? Find out. How many 100 rupees notes are there? Just find out. It is only 200 rupees notes. So what should you write? 2 hundreds. Then how many 10 rupees are there? 4 tens. So how you will write this? You will write in the other method also. What is the other method? What is the other way to write that? 200 plus 4 tens 40. So what is the answer over here? It is 240. So this is the way you will write this numbers in a short way. Okay. So now next one, you see they have some sticks. It is divided in hundreds, tens and ones also. First find out how many hundred sticks are there. How many hundreds sticks are there? Just find out it is how many. It is 3 hundreds. Then plus how many tens are there? 1 tens plus how many sticks are there? Just loose items, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many ones are there? 9 ones are there. Okay. So now write that 3 hundreds. 300s are 300 plus 1 tens, that is 1 tens are 10 plus 9 ones, that is 9 ones are 9. So how many are there now totally? 300 plus 10 plus 9, 319. Okay, clear children? Next question you see. It is also divided, these blocks are also divided in hundreds, tens and ones. How many hundreds are there? Find out. 2 hundreds plus, how many tens are there? 1 tens plus 2 ones. So how it is divided now? It is equal to how many? 2 hundreds are 200 plus 1 tens are 10 plus 2 ones are 2. So how many blocks are there? 200 plus 10 plus 2? 212. Okay, now same way, there is a beads here. They formed a chain using the beads. Okay, so now what is the next one? How many hundreds are? This is first one is 100, second one is tens, and the third one is ones. So how many hundreds are there now? 1 hundreds plus how many tens are there? Smaller ones you see, 3. So 3 tens plus how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Okay, so how is the other way you write? 100 are 100 plus 3 tens are 30 plus 8 ones are 8. Sorry. So 100 plus 30 plus 8 is what? 138. So next one, again they have given you some of the money here. So how many hundreds are there you see? There are 300 rupee notes. So that means it is 300s plus how many 10 rupee notes? 2 tens. There is no 1 rupee coin or note here. So you will just write 300s plus 2 tens. 300 is equal to 300 are 300 plus 2 tens are 20. So 300 plus 20 is what? 320. Okay, next you see who am I? There is no biggest number. Take any you can find. Add me to get the next one. To count, keep me in mind. There is a puzzle type question. Okay, so we will discuss this in the next class. You try to find out the number. Okay, children. Okay, we will complete our class today in this way. So I'll give you the homework worksheet, which consists of expand form and short form. Okay, children, this is the worksheet which you are going to do in your notebook. So first one, what is that? Practice time 5. Expand the following numbers in 2 ways. So I've already expanded and showed it to you how to write the numbers in expand form in 2 ways. So see the first question, 406. So you just see, write the, if you want you can write the places on top of the numbers. So 4 is in hundreds place, so wrote 400, 400s plus 0. So 0 don't have any value, so we don't want to expand if you have 0 in the number. So leave that and go to the 6 ones. So plus 6 ones. So 400 plus 6, 406. So same way second number you see, 800s. So you just, if you want you can write the places on top of the numbers. So 8 is in hundreds place, so 800s plus 4 is in tens place, 4 tens plus 2 is in ones place, 2 ones. Okay, or you can write it this way, 800 plus 40 plus 2. Same way you will expand the other 3 numbers also. Next one, second question you see, write in short form. Okay, so they have given you in expand form, you will write in short form. So they will give you in expand form in any of the ways. So they can give in one first way or in the second way also. See the first question, 500 plus 80 plus 1. Just add the number and write, that's all. 500 plus 80 plus 1 becomes 581. If you read it, you can write them in a short form easily. Next one, 300 plus 6 tens plus 5 ones. So 300 becomes 300 plus 6 tens becomes 60. 5 ones becomes 5. So 300 plus 60 plus 5, 365. So other 3 numbers also you will write in short form. Okay children, thank you so much.